You're halfway through a thought in another language, and you suddenly wish someone could just answer you back instantly. And that's the kind of moment where Talkpal AI starts to make sense, because it's designed to turn practice into a conversation instead of a lesson. And that shift from studying to speaking is what pulls many people in. The app feels less like a textbook and more like a chat. And as you move through it, the corrections, suggestions, and replies connect together, so you're learning while you're talking. And that makes the process feel natural rather than forced. It focuses on real interaction, and that links directly to confidence, because when you can try sentences without worrying about embarrassment, you end up practicing more, and more practice quietly turns into improvement. The interface is usually simple, showing your chats, lessons, and practice modes, and those modes blend grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation together, so you're not separating skills, but building them at the same time. While you chat with the AI, it can correct your phrasing or suggest better words, and those small nudges connect one message to the next, which keeps the learning flow alive. There are also practical features like daily goals and reminders, and those link your motivation to routine, because a short daily chat feels easier than a long study session. Some features may be limited on the free version, and premium options often unlock more practice time or advanced tools, but even basic access can help build a habit. The help or support sections answer common questions, and that keeps learners from feeling stuck, which matters when you're learning independently. When it comes to pricing, the app generally offers both free and premium tiers, where the free version includes basic chat practice, daily goals, and core lessons, but with some limits on conversations and features. The premium plan unlocks unlimited practice, advanced lessons, specialized topics, and more detailed feedback, and it's usually available in monthly or yearly options, with yearly plans giving better value if you plan to use it long term. Over time, using the app regularly can feel less like studying and more like chatting with a helpful partner, because daily use builds confidence, and then you find yourself opening it casually, thinking in the language, and those small moments turn into real progress. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.